If you've ever wondered how to check your X.com or Twitter, Bookmarks, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you the simple steps to find your saved post on X, whether you're using the desktop website or just trying to get there as fast as possible. If this video helps, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tutorials just like this. Let's jump right in. First, open X in your browser or app and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the main screen, look for the More option on the left-hand side if you're on desktop. This is usually where X hides a lot of extra menu items, so if you don't see bookmarks right away, don't worry. Go ahead and click More. After you click More, a menu will open with additional options. From that list, simply select Bookmarks. That's it. As soon as you click Bookmarks, X will take you to your Save Post page, where all the tweets you've bookmarked are stored in one place. If you're using a mobile device, the layout may look a little different, but the idea is the same. You'll still need to find the menu icon or the expanded navigation area, then look for Bookmarks and tap it. Once you're inside the Bookmarks section, you can scroll through everything you've saved for later. This is a really useful feature if you want to keep track of important posts, ideas, links, threads, or anything else you don't want to lose. And because bookmarks are private, only you can see them on your account. So to recap, the process is very simple. Click More, then select Bookmarks. In just a couple of seconds, you'll be looking at all your saved X posts. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next quick how-to guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.